When it comes to survival, few tools feel as reassuring in your hands as a well-built axe or tomahawk. In 2026, brands have pushed durability, balance, and versatility to new levels, giving outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and preparedness-minded adventurers more options than ever. Whether you need reliable wood processing power, a compact tool for camp chores, or a rugged design that can handle tough emergencies, this year's lineup delivers. These are the top 15 survival axes and tactical tomahawks of 2026. Tools built to perform when it matters most. CRKT Kangee T-Hawk. The CRKT Kangee T-Hawk delivers impressive durability and balance for demanding outdoor tasks. Its SK5 carbon steel head holds an edge well, giving confident cutting and chopping performance, while the glass-reinforced nylon handle keeps the tool strong yet lightweight in hand. Designed by Ryan Johnson of RMJ Tactical, it shows thoughtful ergonomics and rugged construction. The included bolt-aron sheath with a MOLLE compatible strap system makes carry secure and convenient. Priced at around $150, it offers a solid value, backed by CRKT's limited lifetime warranty for material and workmanship defects. SOG Survival Hawk. The SOG Survival Hawk packs impressive versatility into a compact 12.1-inch design. Its 3-inch hard-cased black stainless steel blade handles light chopping, camp tasks, and emergency work with confidence. Weighing just 19.5 ounces, it's easy to carry, and the glass-reinforced nylon handle with paracord wrap adds grip and durability. The built-in ferrocerium fire starter, claw spike, and checkered hammer edge turn it into a true multi-tool for outdoor situations. A ballistic nylon sheath ensures quick access on the trail. At $50, it's a budget-friendly survival axe backed by SOG's SOG for Life support. Gerber Downrange Tomahawk. The Gerber Downrange Tomahawk is a premium, USA-made survival tool designed for both tactical and outdoor use. Crafted from 420HC steel with a corrosion-resistant Cerakote finish, it delivers strength and durability under pressure. Its multifunctional design combines an axe head, hammer, and integrated pry bar into one compact tool, making it versatile for camping, breaching, or survival tasks. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a MOLLE-compatible sheath for easy carry. Priced at $250, it's ideal for hunters, soldiers, and outdoor enthusiasts, backed by Gerber's limited lifetime warranty. Cold Steel Trail Boss Axe. The Cold Steel Trail Boss Axe is a rugged, budget-friendly outdoor tool priced at $40. Its European-style head with a 4-inch blade and 4.5-inch cutting edge delivers powerful swings, making chopping, trail clearing, and shelter building effortless. The straight-grained American hickory handle is both sturdy and durable, offering excellent control and balance. Field-tested in Australia's outback, it proved capable of handling kindling, brush, and even medium-sized trees. Lightweight yet tough, this axe is a reliable companion for hunting, camping, and general outdoor work. Hand wash only for care. Schrade Delta Class Bedrock Axe. The SOG Fast Hawk, priced at $45, is a compact and reliable survival hatchet, measuring 11.8 inches overall, with a 3.8-inch blade, and weighing 1 pound 6.4 ounces, it's easy to carry yet sturdy. The 3CR13 titanium-coated stainless steel blade provides durability, while the black glass fiber-filled PA and TPR handle with cold resistance flexibilizer ensures a secure, comfortable grip. A hammer pommel and extra-large ferro rod stored in the shaft add versatility for outdoor tasks. The included thermoplastic belt sheath offers quick, safe access, making it ideal for camping or survival situations. Smith & Wesson M and P Extraction and Evasion. The Smith & Wesson M&P Extraction and Evasion Axe is a versatile 16.5-inch tactical tool priced at $52. Its 10-inch 420 stainless steel blade offers strength and reliability, while the black overmolded rubber handle ensures a secure grip with finger grooves and choil. Designed for outdoor, survival, and EDC use, it features a sawback spine, jimping, textured hammer pommel, and lanyard hole for added functionality. The included synthetic sheath provides quick, safe access. Lightweight yet durable at 25.92 ounces, it's backed by Smith & Wesson's limited lifetime warranty. Gerber Gear Pack Hatchet. The Gerber Gear Pack Hatchet is a compact, versatile outdoor tool priced at $37, featuring a 3.5-inch corrosion-resistant black oxide steel blade with a tall grind. It stays sharp for chopping, splitting, and general camp tasks. Full tang construction and an ergonomic rubber handle with finger grooves provide comfort and control. Measuring 9.46 inches and weighing 20.8 ounces, it's easy to carry, with a lanyard hole and removable nylon sheath for convenient storage. Ideal for camping, hiking, hunting, or emergency kits. It's backed by Gerber's trusted guarantee. SOG Tomahawk Tactical Hatchet. The SOG Tomahawk Tactical Hatchet, priced at $50, is a versatile 12.5-inch survival tool built for outdoor use. Its 2.75-inch satin-polished stainless steel blade handles chopping, camping, and backpacking tasks with ease, while the 23.1-ounce weight keeps it light yet durable. The stainless steel pommel doubles as a hammer, and the opposite spike adds piercing capability. A ballistic nylon sheath allows convenient carry-on belts or packs. Perfect for hiking, emergency preparedness, or tactical scenarios, it's backed by SOG's SOG for Life repair and replacement support. Tops Knives 6AX. The VI axe is a beast. A 15.25-inch, 39-ounce throwback to Viking-style axes combined with modern craftsmanship. Its 5.25-inch 1075 steel blade delivers brutal chopping power, while the double-edged spike on the reverse adds piercing utility. The black linen micarta handle offers a strong, secure grip, and the included leather sheath helps transport it. Solid impact resistance, thanks to 1075 steel, and its weighty build give it serious throwing and chopping performance. At around $236, it's a premium choice for those who want heavy-duty performance and a striking, functional axe. Tactical Axe. The Tactical Axe, priced at $98, is a versatile and well-balanced survival tool. Its full tang 440C stainless steel blade ensures durability and reliable chopping power, while the G10 handle offers a secure, ergonomic grip for extended use. Expertly weighted for balance, it combines efficiency with comfort, making outdoor tasks easier. Multifunctional features include a hex wrench, nail puller, hammer, bottle opener, and non-slip paracord, enhancing its practicality. The included handmade leather sheath ensures safe carry, making this tactical hatchet ideal for hiking, camping, hunting, or emergency preparedness. Cold Steel Trench Hawk. The Cold Steel Trench Hawk is a versatile tactical survival axe priced at $52. Its 3.5-inch, drop-forged 1055 carbon steel blade combines a sharp cutting edge with a wedge-style spike, perfect for chopping, splitting, and throwing. The 19-inch polypropylene handle provides strength and shock absorption, keeping the 29-ounce axe lightweight and manageable. Ideal for camping, woodcutting, carpentry, or axe throwing, it comes with a durable, secure X sheath for safe transport and storage. Reliable, balanced, and tough, the Trench Hawk is a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Schrade Camp Axe. The Schrade Camp Axe is an affordable, compact outdoor tool priced at $33. Its 3.6-inch 3C R13 InKM OV steel blade delivers reliable cutting power for camping, hiking, or light wood tasks. Measuring 11.1 inches overall and weighing just over a pound, it's easy to handle and carry. The overmolded handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip, while the included 1680D polyester sheath allows convenient transport on a belt or pack. Ideal for campers and outdoor enthusiasts, this hatchet combines practicality, durability, and value, backed by Schrade's limited lifetime warranty. CRKT Skeggox Axe. The CRKT Skeggox Axe, priced at $110, is a high-performance survival tool designed for reliability and versatility. Its SK5 carbon steel blade holds an edge well, while a powder-coated finish enhances corrosion resistance for long-lasting use. The glass-reinforced nylon handle keeps the axe strong yet lightweight, with a contoured design offering a secure, comfortable grip for precise control. Compact and practical, it includes gear-compatible clips for multiple carry options, making it ideal for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. Durable, balanced, and convenient, the Skeggox Axe is a dependable outdoor companion. Tops Hammer Hawk. The Tops Knives Hammer Hawk, priced around $288, is a full-tang, heavy-duty tomahawk built for serious outdoor work and survival tasks. Made from thick 1075 carbon steel with a 4.5-inch cutting edge, it delivers impressive chopping power that many smaller hatchets can't match. Its green canvas micarta handle offers a secure, ergonomic grip with multiple hand positions, even in wet conditions. A hardened hammer pole on the back adds blunt force utility, great for driving stakes or breaking obstacles, while the two-piece leather sheath provides practical, balanced carry. Overall, the Hammer Hawk is a premium, rugged tool for campers, bushcrafters, or survivalists who want a reliable, all-around axe that's built to endure. SOG Fast Hawk. The SOG Fast Hawk is a nimble and versatile tactical hatchet priced at $47. Measuring 12.5 inches with a razor-sharp 420 stainless steel blade, it's designed for fast, accurate swings. Weighing just 19 ounces, it's lightweight yet durable, making it ideal for backpacking, hiking, or survival tasks. The flat edge doubles as a hammer, and the opposite spike adds piercing capability. The included ballistic nylon sheath with a belt loop ensures easy carry. Backed by SOG's SOG for Life program, it's a reliable addition to any outdoor toolkit.